Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It's an Origami Tato, and this is actually a flicker. Check this out. See? Just like that. You can flick it like this, or since it's small enough, you can flick it like this too. Oh, try that again. It's a flicker. Okay, and this is the really cool thing about it. Check this out. So it opens up into a ninja star. See? This is the one-piece ninja star. And yeah, and I figured out to turn it into a Tato. And now I'm gonna show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so here's what the model looks like up close right here, see? So this is the same Origami ninja star that I taught right here. See? And all I did was I just turned it into a Tato. So you just fold the flaps over like that, and then you stick this one underneath there. See? Just like this, and now it's a really nice Tato, and of course, it is a flicker. Okay, so want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you could probably do it from a sheet of print paper cut square. So, let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. And if you actually already know how to make that ninja star, then you can skip to this point. Alright, now unfold, and fold in half this way. We're making a square base. Alright, and now fold this point to here. Alright, now turn over and fold this point to here. This is not a difficult model, so if you're new to folding, then this is a good model. Okay, now open the pocket right here and flatten it just like this. And there is the square base. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this point to the top, but don't actually fold it, just make a crease mark. Like that. And now rotate like this, and fold this point to the crease mark. And this time you can fold it all the way across. Alright, unfold, and turn over, and let's reverse that crease. Like this, and then, so yeah, just loosen it up and refold it like this. Okay, and now we're gonna sink this point inside. So we're gonna kind of completely unfold here. And see, we have a square of creases right here. We're gonna take our pinchers and pinch them mountains. Pinch all the way around the square like this. Alright, and now let's make a water bomb base out of this square. See, like this. Alright, shouldn't be that hard. Alright, and now just flatten it like this. And that's what it looks like. Just like that. That's probably the hardest step of the whole model. But the rest of the steps are easy, so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to this crease. And make sure the edges align right here too. Alright, and repeat on this side. Alright, now let's do the exact same thing on the back side, so here we go. Alright, just like that. Okay. And now we're gonna open, this is my favorite step, so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna open here like this, and we're gonna kind of unfold these flaps too. Like this. And now we're just gonna place it on the table like this. And we're gonna just kind of take it and we're gonna flatten it like this. And you want to flatten this thing too. Just like this, so it becomes a square right there. I love that step. Okay, just make sure everything's flat. Alright, now turn over. And now let's make this rotationally symmetric. So fold this flap like this. And repeat right here too. That way they're all going in the same direction. Alright, turn over. And now fold this point to the middle. Now unfold, and now it's refold it, but sticking it under that pocket right there, into the pocket. Just like that. And now do that all the way around. And I'm gonna fast forward this part. That one came undone. Okay, like this. This is what it looks like right there. Okay, so now we're gonna do is zoom in for this. We're gonna take this edge and we're gonna fold it to this edge right here. So all layers like this. All right, make sure it comes to a nice point right there too. Okay, it's like this, and it's not gonna lie flat right here, but we're gonna flatten this part. So to do that, we're gonna squash it like this. So make sure that this edge aligns with this edge. And the fold should hit this corner of the square right there. Like that, make it nice and sharp. Okay, and now let's let's undo that fold. And now let's lift this up and stick it inside like that. Okay, now we're gonna unfold this flap, and we're gonna do that right here, here, and here. So here we go. So I'll show you again on this one, then I'll fast forward the other two. So fold to this edge. All right, make sure it comes to a nice point right there at the end. And then on here, squash it so that the edges align right here. And it should hit this corner of the white square. Like this. And unfold that, and you can keep that folded and lift it up, stick the flap in, just like that. That's what it looks like. All right, now we're gonna do that 2 more times. Here we go. So I'll do that and do that. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this part. Okay, just like this. And look at that, here we have the ninja star right there, see? And if you want it to spin, you can fold this. You can make both folds like this. And then find a surface that's smooth. Here, let me kind of just move this. Okay, there, this is a smoother surface. See, just find a smooth surface like that. See, and it's a nice spinner just like that. And it's just like that other one right here. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to turn it into a Tato. So I'm gonna put my background back on, like this. So now, let's turn it into the Tato. So to do that, we're gonna turn the ninja star over like this, and we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna fold it to this crease right here, or take this point and fold it to this point, like this. All right, and now keep it folded and do that all the way around. So we're gonna fold right over this edge right here, like that. Maybe zoom in a little bit more. Keep doing this. All right, now this last one, fold it over like this. And now unfold it, and now we're gonna refold it, but it's gonna go over this flap right here and inside of this part right here. This can be a little bit tricky, but this is the hardest part right here. Not cooperating, okay, there it is. So once you got it in there like this, make sure the model is nice and flat. Just press it against the table like this and make sure everything's sharp. Or if you really want it flat, stick it under something heavy overnight, like a pile of books or so. But yeah, anyways, once you did that, the model is complete. Okay, now to make it fly a little bit better, let's give it a little bit of curvature. So it'll give it some elevation when it flies. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the top. Before I show you how this flies, I'm gonna show you how the Tato works. So if you wanna see how it flies, you can skip to here. Okay, so for the Tato, this is how you turn it back into the ninja star like this. See, you just undo those folds. Just like that. All right, this is what it looks like. So you can kind of just shape it to taste, fix it up. Okay, that's what it looks like. All right, now to turn it back into the Tato, I'm sure you know what to do. Just remake these folds right here, like this. All right, now this last one, the tricky one. There you go, got it in there. All right, and flatten it again. And I'm gonna give it some elevation again so it flies better. All right, and there it is. All right, let's see how it flies. Okay, so to fly this thing, it's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm just gonna hold it like this and you flick on this edge right here. So here it goes. Oh yeah. And since it's really small, you can actually it should be pretty easy when you flick it like this too. Let's give that a try. No, I'm not really good at flicking things like that. I flick most of my flickers this way. Oh, that really spun a lot in the air too. Okay, one more time and then I'll end the video. Oh yeah. Oh, and before I end the video, I want to show you this new model I just designed. This is the model I'm going to teach on Halloween. So this is an origami ghost right here. See, it's got a nice face right there. And it's a note holder, see? So I have a little note right here. I wrote trick or treat on it. And you just stick it into the pocket right here. See, like this. And it's very similar to that cross that I taught recently. See? And then the person, the trick-or-treaters, you can tell them to look inside there. And there's a note right there, see? So I'll put that video on the card once I upload it. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed flying this and were able to fold it. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. All right, see you guys later.